The next recording. Here's the halacha of Shulchan Aruch based on a lot of the things that we said. So it's interesting to see that the Shulchan Aruch actually codifies this into halacha. A lot of the mefarshim that we learned until now, he actually says this is all halacha. So what he says, mitzvah taseh liten tzedaka kefi hasagat yad. A person is a positive commandment for a person to give tzedaka according to what he's able to give. And there are many times in the Torah that we're commanded with regard to tzedakah. Not only is there positive commandments to give tzedakah, veyesh lo ta'aseh, there's also a negative commandment involved, b'ma'alim enav mimena, for a person who hides his eyes, who closes his eyes from tzedakah. Shneimar, as the pasuk says, lo te'ametz et levavecha v'lo tikpot et yadecha, which is the first pasuk we learned in the first recording, that a person should not close his heart and close his fist when it comes to tzedakah. Anyone that closes his eyes and pretends he doesn't see, he's called a Belial. This is what we learned in the last recording, that it's as if he worships idols, and he's called a Belial. It's one of the worst terms that you can have attributed to you, because you chose to ignore the tzedakah opportunity. And a person should be very, very careful to perform this mitzvah. Look what he says. Because it's very much possible that by avoiding tzedakah, you could come to murder. Shefichut damim is a nice way of saying murdering someone. Shefichut damim means spilling blood, literally, or killing someone. Sheyamut ha'ani ha'mevakesh im lo yiten lo miyad. Because the poor person who needs the money or needs the food right away will die if you don't give it to him right away. Like the story of Nachum Mishkamzu is referring to a story in the Gemara. So we see, not only are you going to transgress a positive commandment, not only will you transgress a negative commandment, not only are you going to be called a Belial, which is like worshipping idols, but it's also Efshar Shiavoli Deshchud Damim. You may cause someone to die, and it's kilu you killed him, which is a horrible, horrible thing. So we see Shulchan Aruch even adds that aspect to it. Moving on, Pasuk says in Pasuk Yud, Naton titen lo. Again, here's a double lashon, a double expression. You shall surely give it to him. Velo yera levavecha betitecha lo, and have no regrets when you do so. Give it to him happily. Ki biglal davar hazeh. Because of this mitzvah, Yevarchecha Hashem Elohecha, God will bless you, Bechol Ma'asecha, and all your efforts, Bechol Mishlach Yadecha, and all your undertakings. So here Rashi says, it sees a double expression, again, Naton Titen Lo, Afilu Mea Pe'amim, even 100 times. Again, like we said, over and over and over again, 100 times the same person, you still give him. That's how important the mitzvah of tzedakah is. Ki biglal hadavar, right? Because of this thing, Rashi says, "Afilu amarta liten atanotel sechal hamira im sechar hamaaseh." Even if you said you're going to give, you will get reward just for saying it, in addition to the sechar, to the reward of actually giving it. Kibiglal hadavar, davar is lashon, the word, daber, dibur, okay, teaches us that you would even get reward for saying that you're going to give tzedakah, in addition to that of giving tzedakah as well. So that's all learned from this pasuk according to Rashi. We'll continue the recordings coming up in the near future.